Welcome to my beautiful life. Y'all know Jill gonna always be playing in the back. I was down in the slumps today. Hello you guys, it is the 17th of November and it's 1:15. We are getting ready to film content. That's my TV in the back. I'm doing a mask, so I just wanted to come on and show y'all the mask. We're doing a process of, this is behind the scenes of me chasing my dreams now that I have quit my 9 to 5. Okay. Hello you guys, welcome back to your girl SydTa'bre's YouTube channel. In today's weekly vlog, it's 4:45. Okay, so we're headed to TJ Maxx. I'm not a TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls type of girl. I only go in there now, like when I see stuff on TikTok or my friends tell me to check it out, or when I have a last minute outfit. That's usually when I go in there. But your girl was smart. I ordered 6 outfits, so I have fits for the rest of the year. The only thing I really need to shop for is December 20th. That's my cousin's birthday party, and we can wear white or we can wear blue jean. And so I haven't decided if I want to wear white or blue jean, but I think I want to wear a milky white and just pray and hope don't nobody touch me, or you know, like don't nobody get nothing on me. Kind of taking a risk with that, but that's in December. Right now we're focused on today. Tomorrow we'll have enough worries of its own. So with that being said, we are going to go to TJ Maxx. I'm not going to show y'all my face, just going to show y'all what I've been looking at, so that way y'all can have some content for them today. We just left the gym. I am so proud of myself because I did not want to go. I did not want to go. So we're going to go get us something small to eat because we're going to a baby shower. So we're going to get us something small to eat, and then we're going to go home and get ready. I'm not wearing makeup, but I got a pair of like cute shades. And while we're in the car, I'm going to put my scarf on. That way my hair can't be laying down. Because if you're a pixie cut girl, all you need is that scarf to lay it down. And I just got a fresh perm. So yeah. So I'm so proud of myself. We did glutes, and I'll tell y'all my 8-week workout plan. We did 3 minutes kickbacks on the Stairmaster. So basically walking the Stairmaster doing kickbacks. We did the V squat machine, 100 pounds. The Smith machine squats, I did like lower squats from like pull squats basically, and that's on the ground. Hip reductions, we know that's the in and out machine. Sumo squats on the cable machine, that was really good. Hip thrusts, of course. And abs, we did side by side, hangman, in and out, swing up machine, which basically is like in and out but standing up, and then a fixed pull down. So the only thing I really need to work on with my stomach is just the lower part. Like, it's 28 inches, and I'll pop up my measurements right here. It could be smaller than that. So I don't know when this vlog is gonna go up. I would love to have it up tomorrow for y'all, and just make it a fitness vlog, because that's literally what I've been doing. I just been working out. I think I got some behind the scenes of me chasing my dreams, but this week was hard. I don't know what I did wrong, or I'm not gonna say I did anything wrong. It was just challenging. Hey y'all, we get ready to go to Pilates. I'll post a video. Today's the 24th and it's 9:20, and we're headed to Pilates. This is the best lip mask. I'll link it down below for my girls who have dry lips. The best. Love her. And then my outfit is from Shein. Got our keys. I'm gonna go get my bag and we're ready to go. I'll see y'all when I get back. Booty look nice. Oh wow. Oh wow. T. Hello you guys. It is 12:56. It's the same day. We are about to shoot my high anticipated Temu sponsorship. So Temu reached out to me like maybe the end of October, beginning of November, and they wanted to sponsor my Instagram reel. They wanted to do 3 sponsor posts. So today we are finishing that up. I've had it for a while and I'm not sure what's stopping me or what fear has got into me, but we started it last week. So we got outfits in our head. I have 2 outfits already. I think it's 8 outfits total, 9 outfits total, 3 on each video. So we're just going to let my hair kind of mow down. My makeup came out great, and we are going to get this content done today. It's 1 o'clock. My workout class is at 4:10, and yeah, this is all we have to do today. This, and then when we get done, we're going to upload it on YouTube as well, and long as the company approve, we'll be good to go. We get to post it whenever they say post it, and we'll be done. But today we're getting the filming part done. Come along to follow my girly pop business. We love ASMR over here. Order is wrong. One wrong item. Super cute. I can wear these to church. Okay, girl, whoever ordered this. Super cute. Yeah. I can wear that to church. These I ordered Thursday and they came today. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh my God. Basic tops. It's giving Skims. Giving Skims. And then this is another basic gray, giving Skims. Oh, these are my mom's shoes. Oh yay, her shoes came. Okay, great. So those are my mom's shoes. I got 2 tops from Shein. Well, 3 tops. I had a brown one, but they didn't send a brown, but it's okay. These are amazing quality, amazing stretch. I got an extra small. I got the khaki, and then I got this unexpectedly, but super cute. I could definitely wear this to church. Put me a little black tank underneath to wear it to church. Real cute. And then we got these shoes from Amazon. I will link them down below. An Amazon haul will be coming because my outfit for the NBA game is from Amazon. So I'll see you guys in the next thing, which will be me cooking or something along those lines. Good morning. It's 9:39. It's 72 degrees and it's the 25th. One of my packages got mixed, so I knew I had another package. But yeah, so this is from yesterday.
No, but Courtney is, yeah, Courtney's
I can't wrap my head around how you're... Golf in case it doesn't work out? Yeah.
Okay guys, we came back for one more class. This is rocking abs. I love rocking abs. It's Tuesdays and Thursdays, so come along, rocking abs.
I'ma show you how they go. Like the money in my pocket. Ooh, whoa. They having combos about kinda fucking with it. Show me some more.
Okay guys, we're doing my drinky drink.
Oh my gosh, it's working, you guys. Oh, okay. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This is more than enough for me to give it out. Miss Summer? We on a date. Mom and Dad on a date. Yeah.
We're here, tuning in. We're at Bella's wedding and we're vlogging. Hey Alexa, pause. So that is going to end off the vlog. It is Sunday, November the 30th. I'm ending off the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. We went to a wedding. We chased our dreams. We went to Pilates together. We did so much. We did so much today. I mean, this vlog. I think you guys are going to get to know me a little bit better. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up the video. That push the video out more. Make sure you comment something positive, and then subscribe for more weekly vlogs of me chasing my dreams. See you in the next one.